What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world for Uber and Lyft drivers. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So today's video is a very important topic. It's a very special one and it is currently trending on this channel. It is by far the most viewed topic on this channel, but it's unemployment benefits for Uber and Lyft drivers. And in today's video, I'm also extending that arm to include self-employed people and freelance workers. So maybe you only drive Uber and Lyft 1 or 2 hours a week. Maybe you only drive 10 hours a week. Maybe you're a full-time driver. Maybe you haven't driven Uber and Lyft in 6 months, but you still want to, maybe you're still interested. And maybe you're thinking, maybe there is still a possibility for me to get unemployment insurance, unemployment benefits, money from the government. And good thinking, because yes, you are correct. There is an opportunity to get unemployment benefits. And why? Well, the US government just passed the biggest stimulus bill in history, $2.2 trillion. And usually a stimulus bill like this would essentially allow people to get unemployment benefits if you're an employee for a big company. You know, if you're a W-2 employee, if you work for like full-time for a normal job, like a 9-to-5 job. But now they actually did attach this very important section to this bill, which includes these sorts of basically the same benefits for gig workers and unemployed or self-employed people, not unemployed. Well, yes, unemployed people, but yeah, gig workers, self-employed, like Uber drivers, rideshare drivers, food delivery drivers. If you're currently being hit and you can't go out and work, or you don't want to go out and work in order for health reasons, which is, you know, probably the most common one right now, then yes, you can apply for unemployment. And so the US stimulus bill has two main sections to it. Number one, it is giving a lot of money to businesses to help businesses stay afloat. Why? Because people aren't going out and spending money right now. I'm not really going to talk about the business help. What I am going to be focusing on this video is the individual help, the help that the government is giving to individuals like you watching or me watching. Maybe you just want, you know, some money to get by for the next couple months. There is tremendous opportunity for you right now. First of all, I'm just gonna sync up my app. I'm gonna, you know, cut to the chase. I know a lot of you guys saying that I blabber on too much, so I'm just gonna get straight to it. First, I did want to say, if you're an Uber driver and you have stopped driving because for health reasons, first of all, you can get 14 days worth of pay from Uber. I just wanted to bring up this screenshot really quick of a driver who did send me this. He got $1,622.60 from Uber. This is super legit. He sent me this 2 screenshots today. And that's how much he got. So Uber did follow through, and all he had to do, guys, you guys can see here, this is what you have to do. You have to meet one of these. You have to provide this for Uber. He provided a note from his doctor. Personally, that's, in my opinion, if a friend asked me who drove for Uber, you get a note from your doctor, I'm pretty sure you can just, medical provider. So I would call up my health insurance company and be like, hey, I don't want to go out and drive for Uber right now. Can you just send me a quick document saying that I'm self-isolating right now? They will deactivate your account, but they will reactivate it once, you know, the time period is over. So if your doctor says you need to stay indoors for 14 days or whatever, then, you know, they should reactivate you after the 14 days. And then this was, so I got that amount, and then another guy also got, this is another guy, he got $1,000. So if you drive for Uber, definitely take advantage of that. The second thing that you can get in help from the government is the $1,200 stimulus check that they're giving to all Americans pretty much who make under $75,000 a year. They do go off of your taxes though. So for 2019, I know a lot of people still haven't filed for 2019. They're gonna go back to your 2018 taxes and see that you made less than 75 gross. So if you made 80,000 bucks, you still get money, but it's gonna be a little bit less. And then if you made over 99,000, you'll get nothing. So if you fall under 99,000, you will get something. If you have a spouse and you guys both make less than 150K total, you'll get $2,400 total, not each, but total. And then if you have kids, it's $500 per kids. Take advantage of that. Now what we're talking about is unemployment benefits. So guys, the US stimulus bill just got passed, so there's not like, I guess I'm gonna give you as much information as I can, but I do want to preface it with the stimulus bill got passed on Friday. On Friday the 27th, and it's the 31st today. Well, whenever you're watching this. Got passed on the 27th, and then right after that it was Saturday and Sunday. And a lot of these places don't work on the weekends. And most of the state government, like the state's websites, they just show that, like this is one, for example. What you want to do is whatever state you live in, I live in California, so type in California or Arizona or New York or Florida or whatever state you live in, and then type in unemployment benefits on Google. Type that in and then go to the first website or the second or the third and make sure it's a .gov. They're gonna have all the information on here for here, and it should say something like yeah, file a claim or something, this unemployment insurance claim, and then it'll say, due to current events, we experience a large increase in claims filed and extending our staff resources to keep up with demand. For faster service, use UI Online to file your claim, when to file a claim. It'll say everything. So for example, let's say you live in Idaho. So Idaho unemployment benefits. It's gonna be different for whatever state you live in. Again, the first one right here, and it might say something, yeah, claimant portal, frequently asked questions. You can contact them online or by email, or you can call them if you want to wait on hold for a while. You know, you can do that too. Let's just do New York unemployment insurance or benefits. Like I think I said this already, but if you're a self-employed person or Uber or Lyft driver, it's going to be a little bit different. It's called PUA, so look out for that. PUA. It's the CARES Act, was enacted on Friday. Please see the CARES Act webpage for more information. So do your research, you know, hop online, spend a few hours, do this, sit down with your buddy, or call up your friend who knows a lot about this stuff or who's smart. So they have telephone hours here, like you can call them, guys. 8 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, and they're now even open on Saturdays too. The only days you can't call are on Sundays. Call them, and then yeah, and they have frequently asked questions. Like, I'm not going to go through that all. Literally, this video, like, I would have to go through that for every single state, and it's going to vary by state too. And a lot of states still are catching up with this because there's a huge influx of people. So yeah, like, again, type in your state. There's another website though that I do want to recommend. It's kind of a one-stop shop for everyone, and just type, these videos are funny, you guys are funny. Anyways, so go to your go to one of my videos. I'll pin this too, but it's careeronestop.org/whatever. It's a website, and you can actually go here, and it has an update from March 30th. It says, new federal law allows states to extend benefits to self-employed and gig workers. Select your state. Let's say you live in Maryland. Search your state up, and it's going to basically direct you to that, you know, a site that helps you file a claim by telephone number. It might help just to do it over the phone. You can do a chat too, chat with the person here. So the way it works, guys, is that you're essentially going to get $600 per week from the federal government, plus an additional money from your state. Again, everything is super backed up right now, so just spend some time going through these websites, guys, and make sure that you you know, go to a .gov website and follow the instructions. You don't want to file too early, because some states have said that if you do file too early, it's not going to work. Some states are not set up yet, guys. Like, it might take a few days to set up, so they can set up. Once they're all set up and they're ready to start taking in requests, then you want to file to make sure you don't file too early and you don't get you know, you don't need to reapply later on, and you don't want to apply too early and have it get denied. So they want to make sure that, I mean, you think of them, they're stressed out too, they're really busy, so just work with them, be patient. But yeah, guys, so there's 3 opportunities to make money. Again, it's through Uber, so providing that doctor's note to get 14 days of sick. You do have had to have done a ride within the past 30 days, I believe. And then the second one is the $1,200 stimulus check, or the checks from the government, and the third is the unemployment benefits. So there are some real opportunities to make money here, or to get, you know, claim your money. But yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I will spend basically the next 24 hours, well, I'll spend the next few days going through the comments. So yeah, leave any of your comments or questions down below, and I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.